Hello everyone, let's talk about how box compression testing supports eco-friendly boxes. The world is shifting towards sustainable packaging, but is eco-friendly packaging strong enough to protect products during transportation and storage? That's where box compression testing plays a vital role. Why eco-friendly packaging needs strength testing? Many companies are now replacing plastic and non-recyclable packaging with biodegradable, compostable, and recycled boxes. But there's one major challenge: sometimes these materials are weaker than traditional packaging. If eco-friendly packaging fails during stacking or transit, it can lead to product damage, financial loss, and unhappy customers. That's why industries need box compression testing to ensure that even sustainable boxes are strong and reliable. How does box compression testing work? Box compression testing is a scientific method that applies a control force on a box to measure its load-bearing capacity. The process involves three main steps. First, sample preparation. Second, load application. Third, result analysis. Benefits of compression testing for sustainable packaging. With the right testing, manufacturers can improve eco-friendly packaging by optimizing material composition, finding the right balance between strength and sustainability. Box thickness, increasing durability without adding extra weight. Structural design, improving the shape and folding techniques for better load distribution. Real-world application where compression testing matters. Many industries rely on eco-friendly packaging, including e-commerce, food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, and retail. Weak packaging can cause product breakage, storage issues, bad customer experience. How compression testing promotes sustainable business growth. Companies that invest in strong, eco-friendly packaging not only protect their product but also build a positive brand image. Customer prefers brands that care about the environment and quality. The future of sustainable packaging and testing. With advanced testing technologies, businesses can develop packaging that is both eco-friendly and high durable. The goal is clear: reduce waste, cut carbon footprints, and create sustainable packaging solutions that protect products and the planet.